Hi guys. So there's several options when you're working within the Excel environment in terms of the views, what your canvas actually looks like. I want to talk to you a little bit about that and what you should know and how you should be using these views on your ribbon. Stay with me, watch to the end of this video and let's learn something new.
Hi, welcome back. So let's have another look at the different types of views that we have under the view menu in Microsoft Excel. So the first type of view that you always find is the normal view. So what normal view is actually used for is this is the view where we actually enter data. So this is our working sort of template where we would actually input our data, and that's what the normal view is used for. The page break preview, for example, begins to give you we will actually begin to see these blue lines. What page break preview is exactly that. It shows you where there are breaks in your page. So if we're going to print this, we're actually going to see where our pages are split. So if you then, how you'd use this page break preview is that we could drag the blue lines, watch, and as we drag the blue lines, we're actually splitting the pages and actually telling Excel where to put content into each page. I'm just going to go back and undo that and talk about the next type of view. The next type of view is what we call the page layout. The page layout, again, doesn't only show you where the page breaks are, but gives you an impression of what your page will look like if you run it through the printer. But also, very importantly, this page layout view allows you to add a header and also allows you to add a footer to your spreadsheet. So if you wanted to actually add a header and a footer, you could actually do that, and you could then enter sort of a custom legend. If it's your page or a specific project, you could then also do that. So these are the different types of views. We also have something called custom view. Okay, maybe before I talk about custom view, let's go back to normal view. In custom view, you can actually add a view. So the current view that we actually have, you notice that you have print settings ticked. You'd also have hidden rows, columns, and filter settings ticked. You can actually call this my view. What happens with your view is perhaps, let's do it this way rather. This is the view that we want. We just want these first 6 months. We don't want the totals. We just want the data. And you want to create a view around that. So you'd come into your view and you say my view, and you would then label it as such. So what then happens is when you now want to actually view what you wanted to show, we know exactly the area that you want to actually focus on. This is very useful for presenters, for example, people that want to highlight or teaching Excel, or you want to make a presentation and you just want the audience to focus on that specific part. So there we are. So don't keep going, don't stop till you get to the top, and when you get to the top.
Okay guys, so I've been showing you a couple of these videos and I'll continue to do this, and a couple of people are saying to me, look, where do I get the files? Where do I really get to practice, to get into the depth of all of these sorts of things? Well, stay with me, stay on this channel, like my page. What's going to happen is very soon I'll be telling you about an event where I'll come to you and we'll spend the day together working on these files, making sure we embed some of these skills and competencies. Well, I hope to see you soon. Stay in touch. Let's talk soon. Keep going till you get to the top, and when you get to the top, don't stop going.